Hey guys, this is how to collect emails into ConvertKit through Card. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to Card website, and from there, just simply go ahead and go to styling. And after that, just simply select a type of styling that you prefer, and just simply choose sign up form. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and select ConvertKit as the newsletter provider. And from there, just simply connect your ConvertKit API key. So guys, you can also set up a custom email form in Card. So just simply click on add element, and from there just simply click on form, and from there you can set a type to custom and then send email. And optionally, you can enter a recipient email addresses, or you can create a subject and body template. So pretty much it will be depending on your preferences. And when you click on fields, you can expand it, and you can label it, and you can assign a label as well to the field, and you can also set the field type. And also, you can configure field options. Just simply click add to add more field and click back to form. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.